In this video, we are going to see that if you are running a virtual machine and you want to make some settings in the BIOS of the virtual machine, how we can simply access the virtual machine BIOS screen. Here is a simple tip for you. First of all, if your Windows is already open in the virtual machine, just shut it down. Click on shutdown. Now, once it is completely shut down, you need to right click on it, click on the power, and here then you will get this option of power on to firmware. Just remember, you will have this option as grayed out if you are already using that Windows. So just remember of that, right click, click on power on to firmware, and it should go directly in the BIOS setup like this. All right, this is method 1. Method 2 is, let me just turn this off again, power off. Power on this virtual machine and just start pressing F2 like you normally do, but you need to click on it once and then press F2 and it will enter in the setup. But just make sure as soon as you start the screen, the cursor is normally in the normal Windows and not in the virtual machine. So if you want to go inside the virtual machine, what you need to do is immediately as soon as you start the setup, power on this virtual machine, just click on the screen once and then press F2 and it will take you to the BIOS setup. So these are some of the methods on how you can access the BIOS screen on VMware Workstation Pro. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.